Hey everybody, today I'm drawing myself like Disney, or at least giving it a whirl. This is a tutorial from Genevieve's design studio. It's the first one I've done from her and it was really fun. It did challenge my drawing skills and I did end up using the symmetry tool to help me with these facial features. And that made it a lot easier for me to make this look not quite so frightening. And one thing about the tutorial is Genevieve drew herself, which of course makes sense, but she does not have bangs or glasses like I do. So I had to figure out how to make that work. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Now, when it comes to the colors, you can either use colors from the reference photo using the color picker, or just do what I did and try and just pick colors that approximate what you want it to look like. Now I got to this point and I thought I was done, but then I just looked at it and it did not look like me. I curl my hair a lot, but I don't have really poofy hair, and I realized that I had mimicked Genevieve's drawing a little bit too much. So I went back in and I adjusted it, made the hair a little bit less poofy, and made that lip color a little deeper. And you may have noticed this is now my new profile pic. If you want to try out this tutorial, the link is in the description. And if you're looking for another tutorial attempt walkthrough, definitely check out this one next. I'll see you over there.